Planning enables our customers to manage the greenlighting of titles by providing a driver-based planning platform with unlimited scenario modeling capabilities. In this example, we're using our working plan, and planning provides a pre-built framework for the forecast process, managing forecast versions, managing your actuals, as well as having an unlimited capability for versioning around what-if and scenario modeling. Here we're looking at our top-down budget allocation where we break the budget back to individual titles. And if we scroll down, we also have our bottom-up title plan where we're building up our budgets. Here, finance can look at all of the titles in our portfolio. We can model assumptions and metrics for all of our titles. Business users can easily come in here and model scenarios around greenlighting, around theatrical release dates, decay assumptions, box office forecasts, ultimates, and any number of other title information that you need relevant to your plan. As a user, I can come in here and quickly model out greenlighting assumptions, pull titles into or maybe push them out of the forecast. I'll quickly hit save here and we can see the real-time impact to the P&L and our overall financial forecast by bringing those two titles in. Bringing this together in our budget versus cumulative cost, we can see and compare our financial targets to our current bottoms-up plan. We can see in real time our current variances with our target versus our plan, ultimately allowing finance to quickly and easily iterate on the forecast and make more informed strategic decisions for the business.